be from the right side, the four pin out, just like that. So the control IC no have function, just zoom the singular, just scale the singular. Yes. Okay. Right now we do the exchange the knobs, and we mark this one and this one. This one here is missing knobs. Okay. Before we do the repair, before we do the exchange the knobs, we need to remove the mask. This one is control IC. Control IC. Before we use the we draw the 24 pin. The IC is driver IC, but this one is control IC. Okay, this one, this knobs, and here have another knobs. We need to remove the mask. Okay. Right now the mask is removed. What we can do to exchange the knobs? How to say? I think all custom. The module have some problem, have the broken problem. 19% is the knobs have some problem, not the IC. 90% is the knobs. So exchange the knobs is very important for the technician, for the engineer. So how to change it? How to exchange it? Right now, the mask is removed, and we can see the part on the PCB, because this knobs is missing. Because sometimes crash, and something, the knobs is missing. And we can see this product is 2.9, and this knobs is very small, very small. Maybe it's 1515 knobs. Okay. And the first, we need to use the solder to add the pin on the part. Use the solder to add the pin on the part. Just like that. Add the pin on the part. Okay, that's it. And next, we need to use the hot air gun for exchanging the knobs. Okay, this is the knobs. We remove the knobs. Okay, this knobs. It is very small. Okay, right now we need to use the hot air gun. Normally, for me, if we do the repair for the P1.2, 1.5, we can adjust the temperature to 280. If for the 2.6, 2.9, 3.9, I adjust the temperature to 313. Yeah, 313. And the air, I mean the air. You can hear the air, big air, small air. It is dependent the knobs. If the knobs is very small, we can adjust the air to small. If the knobs is big one, we can adjust the air to big one. Okay. Okay, like that. It's easier for the camera. Okay, right now we put back the new knobs. Before we put back the new knobs, we need to keep the knobs, the position, because we know in the knobs have 4 pin, Normally there's 3-in-1, the knobs have 4 pin, red, green, blue, and the power, Okay, we just keep these knobs, the angle, the position, same with the PCB, the other knobs. Okay. We can see the face of the knobs. Yeah, same with the other. This position like that is correct. Okay, we use the hot air gun to hit the part, hit the part because we ate the tin. So when we hit the part, it will be how to see? Okay, hit the parts and put the lamps. Okay, keep hit and remove the lamps. Sorry. Okay, we do it again. Just a moment. Hit the part. Normally, when we hit the part, so we keep the air gun around the lamps like that, around the lamps like that. Okay. Keep. Okay, and right here, for the lamps exchange, I have experience. I have experience. Normally, when you hit the lamps, when you put the new lamps and keep hit the lamps, and after 4 sec, and you use the twins to push the lamps. Just let how to say, letting just a little bit, just to push the lamps a little bit, and it will be come back automatic. It is mean sort of okay. Sometimes when you push the lamps, just push out. It is sort of not okay. Just need a little bit to push the lamps, and it will be come back again because the tin have the how to say, because the tin like the glue for the lamps. So it's when you push the lamps, it will be come back a little bit to push, and the lamps come back. So it is mean the lamps is okay. Okay, these lamps we solder it, and we try to another one and here. Later we will do the testing. In the first, we need to add the tin on the part, Okay, then we use the hot air gun. Keep the lamps the position, same with the other, and hit the part. Keep hit, and remove the lamps a little bit. Yeah, it is come back. It is mean okay. When you push the lamps a little bit push the lamps, it will be come back automatic. It is mean okay. Okay, right now we do testing. Okay, this one it's okay, but this one still not okay. Okay, we testing other color, blue, white. This one it's okay, but this one is not okay. We're checking again. Yeah, this one is not okay, but this one is okay. This one is not okay. Let me see. The position is correct. Okay. We make new one. We put a new one. Remove this one and put a new one. Remove the lamps. Also, you use the air gun. Okay, removed. and editing. New numbers. Hit. Push the numbers. Okay, it is come back. Okay, we do testing again for these numbers. And now it's okay. This one. Red, green, and blue. Yeah, it is okay. But here, have another one. Here have another one. And here also have one. Right now we do the repair the numbers. Of course, you have any question about your screen, the repair, you can ask me. Susie will be help me to give me information, and I will do the repair and also can give the answer. Remove the mask. And in the middle also have one. We make where is this? Where is the numbers? Okay, here it's here. This mask a little bit how to say 太紧了，怎么说？ Yeah, when we remove the mask, I make the numbers is out. I make the numbers is out. This numbers is new numbers. Right now it is out. It's no problem. We will do the repair for this also. Right now, this one and this one. Out air gun to remove. This one. Okay. And this one. Also, this one. We should remove the mask, then do the repair. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 place. Editing. Okay, this place also. And here. Okay. Numbers. Air gun. Keep the position. The thing is not too much. It's not enough. We add more. Okay, keep heat. Push the numbers. Yeah, it just come back. Okay, next one. Push the numbers. It just come back. Okay. Yes, yes, with flux. We can see from here, flux 2.5%, 2.5%. 2.5%. Push the numbers. It's not enough thing. Push the numbers. It just come back. Okay, right now we do the testing again. Hope everything okay. Yeah, this one okay. This one okay. This one okay. This one is not okay. This one is not okay. So we do the 3 numbers, but only 2 numbers is okay. And these numbers still have some problem. We will checking again. Yes, we have spare parts. We have spare lamps and spare IC, control IC, driver IC, also. Pixel, yeah, Pixel. We call lamps. We call lamps. Somebody call LED. Somebody call lamps. Somebody call Pixel. But it is same thing. Is this? Is this? Is this? Yeah. We know we have the camera have some problem, but we will keep next time better. Right now we do the training. It's in our showroom, and you can see in backside of me have COB screen. Maybe you know, maybe you heard about COB. And right now we do the COB as professional. We have P0.9 and 0.6 with the COB product. It's very, very clean. And you can see the back side, just one cabinet, but it is clean. Okay, right now, it is okay. But here is another module. Here have knobs, and also have here have some knobs. It's this module, not this one. And this one, all the problem, all the knobs problem and the IC problem. It's okay, everything okay. Yeah, everything okay. Right now, all these cabinets and here have knobs problem. But because the time is not have too much, so the knobs change just to now, I think. So if you have any question, you can ask me by text or by speaker. Yeah. Today, the training just to know, and I will share something. I will share something to you in computer. Okay. But it is Chinese language. Okay, I will share my desktop of computer. Okay, did you see this one? This we call control IC HC245, and we can see from here A0, B0, A0 in, B0 out, or B0 in, A0 out. It is depend the pin 19, the OE. It is high or low. If it is high, it's A in, B out. If the OE is low, it's B in, A out. Yeah, and this is the driver IC. This is the driver IC we can see from here. Power and SDI is means single in. It means single in, and clock, AAT, and OE single out. And for the control the brightness, yes, just like that. And we see from the module, the signal from the module, from the connect pin to the control IC, and the RGB signal from the control IC to the first driver IC, to the next one. Sometimes if we have a pin right here to the next module, use the flat cable, connect, and to the next module, and to here, and here, just a link like that. Yeah, we can see from here. RGB, R1, G1, B1, R2, B2, G2, B2. If we see the connector, the text like that, it is mean this module, it is come from two parts. It is come from two parts. So we just think about this module is two parts. R1, G1, B1, the signal is part one, and the R2, G2, B2 is part two. And the signal from the connector to the control IC and to the driver IC, and sometimes we use another IC for supply the power. Yeah, like that. And we can see CIK, AAT, OE. Normally it can be connected in anywhere, any driver IC. All the driver IC, the CIK can be connected together. But CIK with the AAT with the OE cannot be connected together. Just the CIK with the CIK. In this driver IC, the CIK, and another driver IC, the CIK can be connected together. It's okay. But CIK with the AAT with the single in cannot be connected together, cannot be short circuit. Yeah, just like that, just like that. So you can any question can ask me. Actually, the power of the receiving card, we cannot do the repair. If just the software, power, we can do the upgrade for the firmware. If the hardware have some power, it cannot be repaired. Even sometimes, even we send it back to NOAA to Lincoln, they also cannot be repaired. Please send those. Yes, yes, it is okay. We will send later. You can give us your email address, and we can do the send the yes in English. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, we will send. Okay, if no question, we see you next time. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, the PDF file we will send to your email address later. Thank you for your thank you.
How to use the part paper. Okay, next time we will talk about part paper. Actually, sometimes when your PCB are broken, the PCB, the part of the PCB are broken, we need to use the part paper. The part paper, like the PCB, have 4 pins and red, green, blue, and the power. We just use the cut to cut 1 or 2 pin to put on the part of the PCB and make the knobs the knobs below of the part paper. But it's how to say, we talk it is easy, but when we do the operating, it's not easy. Next time we will do the operating for the part paper. Of course, we also have the video to show custom how to use the part paper in YouTube. Okay, thank you. When is next class? We will have the plan. In plan.
We have 1 month spring holiday, so maybe the next class will be in March.
Okay. See you guys. Bye bye. March. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.